There is, of course, a slight learning curve to maximizing your skills with a buffer. But if you feel ready to learn to buff like a pro without the risk of a costly mistake, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best buffer polisher, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different buffer polisher. By the end, you'll know exactly which best buffer polisher is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Adams Polishes Swirl Killer. The Adams Polishes Swirl Killer is a high-performance 9mm dual-action polisher designed to make paint correction faster, easier, and more efficient. Powered by a robust 1000W motor delivering up to 6500 OPM, it removes swirls, scratches, and surface defects with precision, leaving your vehicle's finish smooth and flawless. Its ergonomic, balanced design with concave rubber grips reduces vibration and enhances control, while the lightweight build, under 5.5 pounds, and 16-foot cord make it comfortable for extended use. Beyond paint correction, it's versatile enough for scrubbing carpets, restoring metals like chrome and aluminum, and applying glazes, sealants, or wax. The 9mm orbit ensures even product distribution, covering large areas efficiently for professional quality results at home. Built for long-lasting performance, the Swirl Killer combines power, comfort, and versatility backed by Adams' 110% satisfaction guarantee, ensuring complete customer confidence in this premium detailing tool. Perfect for enthusiasts and professionals seeking flawless results. Number 2. Griatz Garage G9. The Griatz Garage G9 is a powerful and precise random orbital polisher, perfect for achieving professional-grade paint correction at home. Featuring a 1000-watt motor, 9mm orbit throw, and a 6-inch vented backing plate, it effectively removes scratches, swirls, oxidation, and other imperfections with ease. Its ergonomic design includes a double-shot rubber grip and contoured shroud, ensuring comfort and control during long detailing sessions. Built for smooth operation, the G9's fan-cooled counterbalance and premium bearing construction deliver consistent performance, while constant speed control prevents bogging under pressure. With 6 variable speed settings, 2000 to 6400 OPM, it adapts to a variety of surfaces and detailing tasks, accessible for both right and left-handed users. The G9 also offers flexibility with a convertible 5-inch pad option, 10-foot quick connect power cord, and rest pads for secure placement. Reliable, versatile, and user-friendly, the Griatz Garage G9 is a must-have tool for any car enthusiast or detailing professional. Number 3. Avid Power Buffer Polisher. The Avid Power Buffer Polisher is a versatile and reliable tool, ideal for polishing, waxing, and removing swirls, scratches, and oxidation from any painted vehicle, while also being suitable for sanding wood or metal. Featuring a variable 6-speed control dial, 1500 to 6800 RPM, it offers precision for different tasks, low speeds for waxing and buffing, medium for polishing and cleaning, and high for tackling stubborn defects. Its ergonomic design, complete with an adjustable D-handle and rubberized non-slip body, ensures comfort and control during extended use. The dual-action random orbital motion delivers swirl-free, burn-free results, making it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for professionals. The package includes 3 polishing pads, a pad disc, a detachable handle, a spanner, a hex wrench, and a user manual for added convenience. Designed with 7-inch foam pads to prevent scratching, the Avid Power Buffer Polisher combines ease of use, safety, and high performance, making it an excellent choice for both DIY detailers and pros. Thanks for watching the video.